Unlocking directions. Mastering. Take the next left. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common directional phrase, take the next left. Whether you're navigating through city streets or following directions in a new place, understanding this phrase is key to getting where you need to go. Let's get started. Take the next left. Might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. This phrase is a direction often given by someone who is guiding you to a destination, whether that's a friend in the passenger seat or a voice from your GPS. Take, in this context, means to choose or follow a path. The next left refers to the very first left turn that you come across from this point forward. It's a clear, concise way to guide someone without the need for complex instructions. Take, to accept or use an opportunity to move in a direction. The next, this specifies that you're looking for the first occurrence of something after the current point in time. Left, a direction that is the opposite of right. In most countries, turning left means turning towards your body's left side when you're facing forward. Understanding each component helps learners grasp why the phrase is used this way and how it applies to various situations, not just driving but walking or biking too. This phrase is most commonly used in navigation and giving directions. It's important to know that when someone tells you to take the next left, you should be prepared to make a turn very soon. Timing is crucial, especially in areas with multiple intersections close to each other. In conversation, can you tell me how to get to the library? Sure, go straight down this road, then take the next left. In GPS and navigation apps, the phrase is used to guide drivers or walkers through a set route towards their destination. Understanding this phrase is essential for effective communication and ensures that you can follow directions accurately or guide others clearly. Confusing left with right. This might sound obvious, but in the moment, especially in stressful driving conditions or when in a hurry, it's a common error. Taking a left too soon, the next left, means the first left turn after the instruction is given. Don't turn left into driveways or alleys unless specified. Ignoring the phrase, missing the specified turn often leads to unnecessary detours or confusion, especially in unfamiliar areas. Understanding phrases like, take the next left, is crucial for anyone learning English, especially if you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country. It's more than just directions. It's about navigating life's paths with confidence. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand this common phrase effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put your knowledge to the test. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.